Alright, so anyway, check it out. Ink may have run out. Replace the ink tank is recommended. So it looks like I got to replace 3 of them. So we're going to try to do that. What you do is you got to pull this out like that. And then this is going to slide over. And the ones that are blinking are the ones you got to replace. So we're going to do that right now. So the way you do it is you got to reach under here. See that little tab right there? That pops it out. That's how you pull it out of there. This little thing you got to push in. It's right on the side there. So that one we got. Oops, I dropped it. So these come with all this stuff on them. So I got to pull this off like that. And then get all this junk off. And then there's this little thing right here you got to pull off. So before you put it in, so I got to pop that off there. It comes right off. There we go. Now that's ready to go in. Okay. Right, so here we are. So now what I got to do is I got to slide this in. Just push it down. Bam. You'll notice it's not blinking anymore. So now I got to replace that big one and that blue one. Okay, so here's the blue one. Pull that off. Got to get all this wrapping off of it. There we go. And then we should pop this thing off the bottom. Bam, bam, that's done. Now this baby's ready to go in. There's the little thing that tightens it in there. Out. I got to come down underneath here, pop it up. Bam, that one's out. Be careful because you can get a little ink on you if there's some left in it. So I just set it up here. Take my other one, put her in there, slide it in. Like that. Gotta get it in there right. You just push it down. Bam. Done. Now we got one left. Baby right here. It's a bigger one. I think. I hope it is. Might not be. It's still working right here because I've got a little bit left in that run. So I might be able to get my print done because I'm missing my big one. Cross your fingers. Oh shit. I got lucky. I don't have to go buy a big giant black one. And bam, done. Excellent. All right, that's how you do it. All right, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my other awesome videos.